Alright guys, today we're going to be installing a tachometer on the brick here, on our V8 swap S10. Trying to mount up this tachometer. Right there. Drill 2 holes here and stuff. So you're going to drill 2 holes here. Mount it there. Okay, so Josh got the mount where he wanted it. Then he drilled his holes. Drew a hole from underneath. Now you gotta drill his other hole. So it's pretty much gonna be, the gauge is pretty much gonna sit right about there. And it's in a good view right there. Man, that's gonna be a rough estimate right there. That's gonna be a rough estimate. Rough estimate. Go for it. What if I don't want it right there? I want it right there. It'll be alright. Oh, stuck on. I couldn't have guessed that any better. Alright. That seems good. Next will be the wiring. Let's go get something to eat. We'll put that off to another day. Or probably tomorrow. Or tonight. We'll see. I'm gonna go get something to eat. Beast. So it is day number 2, and today we're going to be focusing on the wiring. So we got a drop cord, heat gun, some wires that are different colors, some Mountain Dew, heat shrink, solder, and soldering iron. And Josh will be soldering for us today. Josh, you want to tell us what each of the wires are?
Yeah, I got schematic.
Explain it to me.
I know this right here. This is power. This is ground. The green will go to the tach, not the tach, the distributor. And this is the light. Just go to a 12-volt dash lighting source.
And we will drill a hole back here, right here. You can drill a hole back here?
I don't know yet.
I say drill a hole in the back so you don't see it. Let's get started. That's where we'll put ours right there. Our light.
The white one's display light.
Not really. Doesn't look that fat there. Josh got the hole drill and ran the wires for the tach. Start connecting, soldering. Start running wire. Bet you that's a 10 mil. How about that? You owe me money now. What happened?
Not tightening up.
I can overcome that problem.
Huh?
I can overcome that problem. Get a bare screw. Okay, so for a little update, got the ground wire in. We got the ground wire soldered in, right there. We got the power hooked up to the fuse box. And the power wire soldered too. We also got the night light hooked into the lights. So whenever you turn the lights on, the gauge will light up. Next we need to run the wire for the distributor and then solder the wire together so it can get signal. So like Josh here stripped out the bolt. What you got to say for yourself?
Live and learn.
Live and learn. I like it. Like Josh, you're gonna drill another hole right there. Hopefully nothing's back there. Struck gold. Ground's connected, power's hooked up, lights hooked up for the tachometer. A new hole is drilled. Okay, Josh gripped the other one up. So I got tack pulled up right there from a clip. There in the firewall, to there, through the firewall. Set the shift light, just like that. See, probably set it around there, around 5,000 probably. Gonna see if it works. Oh, it do work. I can set it down low for you, show that it works. And then it goes to RPM. Tachometer works. Did pretty good. Yep, got that installed now. Now we gotta tidy everything up. Hide all the wires. We got everything back together. Everything wired up. We got all the wires hid. All the wires hidden. Got everything wired up on the tachometer. We checked it, everything works. Even the light. Even the back lighting for it. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it. And I will see y'all in the next one.
We make the strings louder.